Welcome to Insurance Alert broadcast. I am Vivek Jain here. Today we have with us Vidya Bhuta. She is the director of Push Button. We are going to talk to him how technology they are using to reach the last mile. Welcome to the show, Vidya ji.
Thank you, Vivek ji. And hello to all your users, all your readers. Vivek ji, so we at Mialtas Insurance Broking have launched this portal called Push Button, which is the last mile effort to reach to tier 2 and tier 3 cities, where now we have technological savvy uh, audiences who wants insurance policy at a click of a button. And there's where Push Button comes into picture. Push Button is completely aligned with India's vision of being the sixth largest insurance market by 2032. And it's been having a remarkable growth of 9% of total premium year on year. India is fueling the growth by two words, which is insurance and technology. And we come into the definition of insurtechs. So in recent statistics, if I can give you, in last one and a half year, we have had 140 insurtech companies being registered, and people are driving their insurance experiences through AI and data analytics, cloud computing, and transforming risk and assessment through this kind of enhanced technologies. Obviously, the underwriting part of it is now more tech driven. For example, we have telematics for car insurances, where you can have real-time data and you can actually have new car policies being made due to telematics. The claims are also being paperless nowadays. Definitely you are seeing, because of the new generation of AI coming in, the claims can be recorded in like 3 or 4 minutes and you get your claim. In fact, recently we had a claim which we settled in approximately 3 or 4 minutes. That was that fast. And we were so proud to give the customer that experience. So all this is possible because we have that AI and that datamatics, which enhances the customer experiences. Obviously, not to say the job which insurtechs have created for the person who is more acquainted with computer science or AI, machine learning, cybersecurity, all this people are now much in demand, because we as insurtechs want to give more customer enhanced experiences to the last mile, tier 2, tier 3 kind of people who don't have access to too many agents or personalized services, where our company tries to give them that personalized ideas about everything. And that's the vision in Push Button, that we give more and more customer experiences which better their lives, which are at their fingertips. And we help in penetrating insurance in India with whatever best efforts we can, and help the vision which the insurance regulator have said, to be insurance for all by 2047. Anything more you want to say or ask?
Yeah. How your platform works? It's basically direct to consumer, or you work through agents network?
So luckily for us, we have both the platforms. We have D2C and B2B2C. So we have just now started the agents platform, which is working superbly, and we have got a tremendous response from tier 2 and tier 3 agents. For B2C, we have had substantial integrations, not too many I would boast of, but definitely substantial, so that you can have an customer experiences. But we are always trying to better ourselves to be a better version of ourselves, and increase the visibility as much as we can.
India is basically rural. Our 70%, 75% people are staying in the smaller places and rural areas, what we call it, Bharat. Do you have any plan to reach there, or you already have reached there?
So I wouldn't like to boast too much, but sir, we are present approximately at this very smaller cities called Bhilwara and Nanded, and very small cities. We are present there today, and today we are doing good business. People are understanding what insurtechs are, and they're supporting us in this whole venture with their own contributions. So I'm proud to say that tier 2, tier 3 cities, which you call as Bharat, is expanding, accepting insurtechs, and obviously getting in line with insurtech visions. Yes.
What do you see the future for insurtechs?
So definitely insurtechs, as any tech platforms or any tech company, have to continuously go for new innovations, new integrations. They have to be one step ahead of insurance companies, because even insurance companies are giving good platforms, and if they want to be in the race, insurtechs have to be definitely ahead. Insurtech is something which is going to grow big in India. Because tier 2, tier 3 cities is where a broker cannot physically have their office, or it's not possible with a vast expanse of India that insurance company have their physical offices, or a broker has its physical offices each and every nook of India, because the geography doesn't allow it. But with the help of internet being reached to nook and corner of India, I'm 100% sure that any insurtech platform can be accessed, and the policies can be issued, the claims can be processed, and definitely underwriting can be done to the farthest level possible.
What kind of products are available on Push Button? Like it's only life insurance or only general insurance, or you have both?
So we have both kind of products, life and general insurance products. And the products are basic at this moment of time, but definitely we are planning to get more complicated products, such as shop insurance and flat insurance and small time jewelry block insurances in the portal. And we are almost there now. So maybe you will see much more good news in few months' time coming in.
Thank you so much, Vidyaji, for your time. And we will be in touch with you in times to come.
Thank you so much, Vivekji. It's been a pleasure talking to you.
Yes.
And it's a good platform to be there with you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.